everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add contacts in Gmail. Now you want to add contacts in Gmail. There are two major ways you can do. The first one is from an email. Now how do you do this? This one, to add a particular contact Joanne from Wall Street module. Click on the email, then you go to the person's name here. As you can see, once you hover over it, it comes out. Then next thing, you click on the plus icon here with the person with this particular part. You see add to contact. So once you click on it, it will be added to your contact. Now another way you can do this is to manually create a contact. Now how do you do that? You go to your Google contact. You can find it by clicking the Google Apps icon here. This is Google Apps icon. Click on it. Then you go to your Google contacts and see, click on it. Then you click on create contact. As you can see, we have some contacts here. So you click on create contact, then you create a contact, or if you want to create multiple, click on create multiple. You can choose a photo if you like. Then fill in this is the photo I want to use, for example. Then you fill in this form, this online form, the person's first name, last name, email address, company, everything. I want to show you can even see more. Once you click on save, this save will be highlighted. That's all. You can also import contacts from other sources like CSV files or other email providers. You can also organize your contacts into groups, e.g. family, work, or friends for easier management. You can add a photo to your contact for easier recognition, like I did for easier recognition. By following these steps, you can easily add and manage your contacts in Gmail. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.